Hi, my name is Kieran, and this video is for my application to Langara's full-stack web development program. I'm interested in completing this program because I would like to have a career in software development. And when I was looking at jobs in the industry, a lot of positions, especially entry-level positions, were related to web dev, and there's a lot of positions that were looking for full stack. Web dev is interesting because obviously it's a technical job, but there is also room for creativity and expression while at work, which is interesting to me. Particularly, this program would help me fill a gap in my knowledge. I completed a 2-year diploma at BCIT in their computer systems technology course, and I focused on data communications and networking. And while we did cover some web development, that was not the main focus. And I feel that if I want to apply for these web dev entry-level positions, I need to expand my knowledge and expand my skill set. And I would like to begin in the next year starting work in a web dev position. So that's why this course, or why I want to complete this course. What experience do I have? I mentioned already the BCIT diploma, and also I completed an 8-month co-op with Piccolo Software, where I worked on maintaining and developing new features for a native Android application. What entry prep for the course? Over the summer, I can review my school notes for what we did touch on in WebDev, as well as review HTML and JavaScript with websites like W3 Schools. And now for the technical portion, or the technical question. Given a list of numbers, find how many, or find which number occurs the most times in that list. So we'll need to have our original list and have another list of counters where we keep track of how many times each number has occurred. So we go through our original list one by one, and for each entry in that list, we need to ask ourselves, have we seen this number before? Meaning, is it in our list of counters or not? Now, if it isn't, we add to our list of counters a new counter by the name of this number, and we add 1 to that counter, so set 1. If we have seen this before, so we're going through and comparing to our list of counters, and we find a counter with the same name as this number, then we need to add 1 to it. And we need to go and do that for every number in the list, our original list. Once we're done, we'll have a new list of counters that tells us how many times each number has occurred in the list, the original list. Now the next step is we need to find out which of these counters has the highest number. So what we can do is we can just say that the first number in our list of counters, or the first counter, is the highest, is the maximum. And then go through and go through our list of counters and compare each one to this maximum that we've set. And if the number is larger than the maximum, the number of the counter we're currently on is larger than what we have recorded as our maximum so far, then we replace our maximum with the current number, and then we move on to the next one on the list. And if that one's higher than the maximum, then that's the new maximum. We go through and we do that for all of our list of counters. And at the end, we will have the counter with the highest number of occurrences. So we'll have the number with the highest number of occurrences in our original list. Yeah, so thank you for taking the time to view this application, and I look forward to learning a lot about WebDev. Thank you. Bye.